Hello everyone, my name is May and I am the curator for the Facebook page and the YouTube channel Skin Avenue. On today's video, I will be unboxing the ageloc Boost. This is part of the ageloc line that targets aging from the source. What it does is it sends variable intermittent pulses on the skin, and the pulses are charge balanced. It switches from negative to positive on the skin every 2.4 seconds. So when used with the activating serum, this one, it optimizes the skin to make the skin look more youthful and younger at the same time. So as you can see, it's a very simple box and it's very lightweight. And let's just open the contents first of the product. I'm very excited for this one because you just need to do this twice a day. So you just need to include it as part of your regimen every day. So here it is, the ageloc Boost. So what's inside is the gadget, the ageloc Boost gadget, and underneath it are the manuals. This one, so it's a full user's manual, this one, and I think there's a QR code that you can scan also, so you can see the manual online. So it is a packet. It's a very easy to use or simple to do, simple to follow instructions. And aside from that, it also has it says a silicone rubber. I think this is for the cover for the Boost when you won't be using it. So I think, yeah, this is the silicone protection or the silicone cover for the device. Okay, so you just need to place it. When you don't, you won't be, I'm not so sure yet because this is the first time that I opened this, but I guess this is something that will protect your ageloc Boost when you're not going to use it. Okay, so it also has a very simple charger, this one, and oh, it's magnetic. It's a magnetic charger. Okay, let me see if you can clearly see it on the camera. There you go. Okay, so I think it's magnetic. So you just need to then the charger looks like this, so all you need to do is probably do this. Oh yeah, it has a magnet. So yep, there you go. It's a magnetic charger and it runs on a USB or your usual if you have a usual Type-C plug, then you can use this one. And let's see how this one works. So I'll just take this off. Okay, and I guess let's see if we will know how to turn this thing on. So I'll just have to read the manual first and I'll get back with you later. So I've read the manual. It says here to fully charge the ageloc Boost before using it for the first time. And when using it, you have to be using also the activating treatment. Where is it? Okay, this one. This is the activating treatment. I hope you can clearly see that from the screen. There you go. And what this will do is it will help increase the firmness of the skin, and it makes the skin more plump. So this is how it looks like. Okay, and let's try to smell the contents of the serum. It smells good. It's just it has the same scent with your, if I'm not mistaken, it has the same scent with the ageloc moisturizers and the ageloc serum. It has the same scent as that. If you have used that ageloc serum or the ageloc serum, it kind of has the same scent. Okay, so it says here in the manual that you have to use the activating treatment first and then after cleansing and toning. So I have nothing on my face right now except for the breakouts because I just had my period, but you need to spray or you need to use a toner prior to using the ageloc boost. So you just need to spray first. It says here half face. It says half of the face first. So, but I'll just have to put toner right away. So I'm using the mattifying toner, this one. I just transferred it in a bottle so that it's more convenient. It's easy to use. So you need to spray it on your face like this. Spread like that. And then all you need to do is you need to turn on the device by swiping finger up full length. So you need to turn this on. There. Can you hear the sound? That's on already. Okay, that's on. And then you need to dispense 3 pumps of this one. So 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. And then spread it all over half of the face. Like this. Half. Just half of the face. Like so. And then begin the treatment by swiping it full length. So you need to swipe it again. So swipe it full length. Alright. And then glide the treatment all over the face. But I don't see, there's nothing vibrating, so you need to swipe it again. There. Can you hear the sound? There. So that's the vibration that you need to do, or you need to wait for it. Okay? So it's an upward outward motion. So what I do is I focus on this area because I'm starting to develop eye bags, and also this line here because I'm starting to have saggy face already, like this. And then on the, I guess what you need to do is just need to follow the galvanic procedure. If you have tried the galvanic spa, I guess it actually has the same motion. So it's an upward outward motion. So the serum, you don't feel anything. It's just your average it just feels like your usual serum. And oh, I guess that's done already. So this is just for 1 minute, and then repeat steps 2 and 3 on the other half of the face. Okay, so if it's done, all you need to do is just to massage the excess activating treatment on the skin, and you can follow it with the usual daily serum or your daily moisturizer, or if you're like me who uses the Instablank after, so you can use the Instablank afterwards. But as you can see, this is just half of the face, and this is just after 1 minute of the treatment. And you will start to notice, yeah, my skin looks moisturized. It's fully moisturized. It kind of felt like the skin is firmer, and it's tighter if you look at it. And it's just 1 minute. So I'll just take a picture first. I'll just take a photo first so you can see the difference. For just, let me see, let me just clear my hair here. Okay, like so. So I guess that's done. It's just 1 minute, and all you need to do is to swipe it back like this to turn it off, and it's off already. So I guess that's how it works. Let's see, after a week of doing this, I'll be showing you a before and after photo also of my face. And I hope that it can also help me or target the, what do you call this, the scars, the post breakout scars, or the breakout scars. Okay, so we'll see you guys in a week's time, and we'll see how this one can help my skin and help yours also to get a more youthful complexion. So thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in a week's time for my before photo, day 0 today, and day 7 after a week. See you next time.